Guys, today I'm gonna do a quick review. A They gonna be all because I so we know more than one. So the big thing I got is the Mark Jacob come drop. It got gold tone well. Okay, and then I got the ones to go with the another, but I'm gonna show you guys. But the way the one and the back that I'm gonna show you guys doesn't go the way that I want it. So yeah. So this is the bike that I talking about. I put it on the back. Okay. This is my Mark Jacob. It's not going to be cut. It's really nice leather. So yeah, I got it to go with this one, but it doesn't go the way that I want it. The way that I want it doesn't go. So I found another shop with it also much bigger. This is Gamba shop. So yeah, that is that one. So on Instagram, I show you if you guys follow me. Review the fish. This is your balloons are cool. Chippy wallet. It got like your ear and it's sick or but yeah, I got it one to go with the bike, but I can. It doesn't go the way I the way I want. So yeah, now I got the one we own because I cannot find it. I cannot find because I want the one for a long time and they don't have the one anymore, and that's the only way that I can buy that this thing. So yeah, I, I got them coach 1941 got me back in a beautiful navy blue. And I got the one also. It's from MCM. Also on yeah. Beat in the butt. Beat in the bathroom. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful bag. It got 33 compartment. So yeah, I got it back because they don't have it one anymore, and I've been eyeing it for almost 5 years. So I found it on a gate price, and yeah. So yeah. There you go. So yeah. That is all my all for today. I will see you all again and Babu. Bye bye.